let's give you something weird to play with. Okay, this one here. When you're given something strange, just play around with it. So here you're trying to make x the subject. So x is here and it's here. So somehow, yeah, just pause and play around with it. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so here you've visualized it as this. You've got one bubble here dividing another bubble here. Oh, by the way, there are several ways of doing this. This is just one way. Okay, let's times both sides by 4c. So you will have this here, 4c times this, y minus 3xa. Okay, or you can put the or you could do this, y minus, hang on, or you can do this, times 4c. But I prefer to put this in front. I don't know why. You can leave it at the end, but I prefer it in front. I don't know why. Okay, this one here. So on the right hand side, it's like this, plus b to the power of 4. Okay, and now yeah, always keep an eye on x. X is here and x is here. So let's break this bubble up. So this times this would be 4cy minus this times this. So it will be 12. Well, I'm going to leave the x at the end. So 12acx. Okay, it can be in any order, but I prefer, because I'm trying to make x a subject, for some reason I prefer this to be right at the end, but it doesn't have to be. So equals, on the right hand side will be 3a squared b to the power 4x. Okay, so now visualize this as this. You've got one block, take away this block here, equals this block here. Get all the now x exists in here and x exists in here. Get all the x's on one side. So add, move this over here basically. So we're going to add 12acx to both sides. So it will be 3a squared b to the power 4x plus 12acx. On the left hand side it would be this. Okay, so now x, if you look at this, at the moment you've got this block here, add this block here. X exists in here and it exists in here. So let's factorize. So x bracket 3a squared b to the power 4 plus 12ac close bracket 4cy over here. Now it's just a matter of dividing both sides by that by the bubble on the right. So it will be x here and 4cy all over 3a squared b to the power 4 plus 12ac. Okay, so this is now the subject. Okay, another weird one. This one here. So make x the subject. Yeah, this one's quite weird. I would visualize it as this. At the moment, you've got one block here plus this block here, and then you've got this block over here. Okay. I would move the whole block, to the other side. So so it will look like this. It will look like this. Okay, and then somehow merge these two fractions together. So here I would probably times top and bottom by a. Over here I would times top and bottom by 2. In which case the two denominators at the bottom will be the same, and then we can merge. Okay. Well, anyway, do whatever. There are lots of ways of doing this. Do whatever you want. Make x the subject. So press pause and have a go. Okay, one way of doing this is to visualize it as one block plus this block equals this block here. Try and get all the x's on one side. So I'm going to move this block to the other side. So it will be this b over ax minus y over 2x. On this side, it's going to be 4a. Okay. You're trying to make x the subject. For some reason, I just know that I've got to merge these two fractions. I don't know how you would know. I guess you just have to do this lots and lots of times, and then not and then you can see it for yourself. But for some reason, I just know that I've got to merge these two together, and then in order to progress, I've got to merge these two together. I don't know how you would know. Just follow me for the time being. I don't know how you would have known. Well, anyway, just do it. So now to merge the two, you've got to make sure that. So here you've got two fractions, this fraction and this fraction. To merge the two denominators have to be the same. Okay. So over on this side, I'm going to times top and bottom by 2, and then over here I'm going to times top and bottom by a. Okay. So it would be this now. B times 2 will be 2b. Ax times 2 will be 2ax. Okay. On this, oh, remember we've got a takeaway here. Takeaway. Now y times a will be ay, and 2x times a would be 2ax. Now can you see the two denominators are the same? Okay. Well, yeah, I don't know why I know. Sorry, I don't know how I know that I've got to merge the two. It's just a gut instinct. So as you do this for a long time, I guess you will also know. So now the two denominators are the same. Let's just merge. So it will be 2ax, and then this will be 2b minus ay. Okay, on this side it would be 4a. Now, so now you can imagine this as being a bubble dividing by this bubble here. X is what we're interested in here. So times both sides by the bottom bubble. So so that it would be this. It would be. Oh, I'm going to do it all in one go. So remember, we are multiplying these two together. So it would be 8 a squared x, and then on this side it would just be the top bubble. So it would be this. Now imagine it as this. You've got one bubble here multiplying this bubble here. So let's kill off this bubble. So divide both sides by 8a squared. So it will be this. Take away ay divided by 8a squared. So x equals this. Okay?